Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can create subtitles for your video with just one click. And you are watching Filmora Made Easy, and this is your Vibro, who is your host and the most. So first and foremost thing what you need to do is just go ahead and open up Wondershare Filmora and then click on New Project. Once Filmora loads up, go to Help and click on Check for Update. We want to use the latest version of Filmora, so that's the main reason why I'm checking for updates. So if there is any update, make sure you do it for better performance as well as features. So as you can see, it says I am using the latest version of Filmora. So great. Now what you need to do is import your media file. For me, I have an audio file. You can also use the same method for video as well. So I'll just drag the audio file or the video file onto the timeline. And as this whole audio file is around 3 minutes long, so I'll be just trimming the video so that you won't have to just wait for the whole process to do. So right now I just trimmed the video or the audio. Now what you need to do just to create your subtitles, just click on this button. Let me just zoom in. So this button says text, speech to text, of course. So it is speech to text. So I'll just click on it. Once you have clicked on it, you can also go ahead and select the language in which you are using. So right now my the audio file or the media file that I was using here is English US. You can also use it to translate it into different language, but I'll teach you that in another video. Once that your language is selected, you can also choose how the subtitles should be shown in the timeline. So SRT is the best format for that because it's the subtitle file format. So now we just need to click on the generate button. Okay, so now you can see that our audio file has been successfully converted into text. So now let's check it out. Let's go over here. One cool thing about Bandicam is that it lets you switch your webcam view to full screen or move it around while you are recording. So as you can see, all my subtitles are pretty much accurate, but if you want to edit them or do some changes, then of course you can double click on the file, and here you can go ahead and edit them if you want to. You can also choose a different customize the way the subtitle look at. I'll click on apply to all. This will make my subtitle look a bit more professional, if that matters. More flexibility and control. So without any further delay. So as you can see, in this way, we can just go ahead and create subtitles with just one click. So if this is the first time you're watching my video, then please do consider subscribing to my channel, as this is Vibro from Filmora Made Easy, where we where we explain everything about Filmora and help you to create better content online. So that's pretty much it. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, take care.